Here at Grand General, we work hard to make you stand out. That is why we are proud to introduce an exclusive air cleaner glow light designed to increase your visibility and style by offering it in a dual color switchback option. These new lights simply mount to the top of your breather screens, providing a nice subtle glow to the side of your truck, enhancing your style and personalization. Continue your truck's color theme by easily switching between two colors to suit your preference and make your rig truly noticed. So if style and quality is important to you, make sure you choose Grand General.